The purpose of this is for me to show you how to complete the right-hand side of your PLEs. The right-hand side is the proof showing me what you did or how you completed your PLE, which is on the left-hand side. When I go to grade these, I literally cover up the left-hand side and read the right-hand side. So what I'm saying is you need to give enough explanation that I know exactly what's going on. It technically doesn't have to have all three parts like the left-hand side does, but once again, it should make sense. So anytime you do this, cover up the left-hand side, type it out, and make sure it's a complete thought or sentence once again. So with the proof, at times it will need to be measurable. So for example, on number 3, in this PLE, I will assist my teacher and students with hands-on activities without being prompted a minimum of 5 times. That is an example of being measurable, because if we would have just stopped it and said, I will do hands-on activities without being prompted, you got to give me a little more. Exactly how are we going to prove that you did that? So on the right-hand side, Mrs. Peck will provide a signature indicating that I helped her and students with hands-on activities without being prompted a minimum of 5 times. So just relating it back to each other. Once again, you can go through and see the examples that I gave. Remember, of the 5 goals that you put down, if you're doing an internship, you only have to complete 3 of them. Of the 3 of them, I do not want all of them to just be a teacher's signature. I want other types of proof. For example, that the teacher provided feedback on how it went, or maybe you're handing in a physical thing like number 5. I will provide pictures of the students playing the beach ball math review game. Or if it's a lesson plan that you created, you would physically turn in that lesson plan. So if on one of them the teacher is just providing a signature saying that you completed that activity, I am fine with that. I just do not want all of them to be signatures. Please let me know if you have any questions.